I mean, it's like, it's not the worst, like. Before I do my makeup, I am going to put on some primer. Rimmel Insta Co primer. It's the green primer. I just want to say as well, like, I honestly have no right to be making a makeup tutorial. I'm really not that good. But I usually just leave that sit in my face and just let it soak in while I do my eye makeup. So the first thing I'm going to do is just prime the eyes. I don't have an eye primer because I just ran out of it. So I have the Morphe brushes from James Charles. And I also have a set of the Zoeva brushes as well. God, I really should not be doing a makeup video. I really don't know what I'm doing, but anyway. The Morphe M173. Literally my first time saying that. I had no idea what that brush was. So we're gonna go in with the James Charles palette. Oh, she's a dirty palette. I don't know the names of any of these off by heart. The ones I'm gonna be going in with are these two here. And that one up there for the cut crease. For the corner of my eye, I usually use a bit of this one or a bit of this one. So the first color we're going to use is, if I can hold this up, this lovely dark kind of rusty color down here. I'm using a Morphe M433. When it comes to Morphe's like eyeshadows and stuff, there is quite a bit of fallout, but you know, I saw so many tutorials where they said like don't blend it, you're going to want to press it into where you're putting it, kind of in the crease along the eyelid. So it's gonna look weird at first, but we just, you know, like any video I watch, it's like, you just gotta trust the process. That's the first bit. She was a thick eyeshadow, I'm not gonna lie. So next I'm gonna get the why am I reading it upside down? The Morphe M456. And I'm gonna go in with a lighter color just above it. This lovely orange right beside it. Not gonna be blending them properly yet, I'm just pressing them on, and then later on we're going to do more of a blend. So now we're going to go in with a lighter shade. I'm actually going to get a little bit of that orange, just a tiny bit, like that much, with an M441. We're actually going to use a bit of white on it as well, so a little bit of top it. You're just going to do the other eye now. Still looking pretty, not exactly what I want it to look like, but you know what? It's an adventure. Go a bit mad and then I just clean it up. Back in with the first color, the dark brown. Here's my blending brush. Oh, here it is. Okay, so you're just gonna get a clean brush, well, cleanish, I mean, and we're just gonna blend. So we're gonna get our nasty little cut crease brush here in Morphe M224. Attempt to cut a crease. She doesn't know how, but she'll try. So yeah, you want to leave a little bit of space just at the end. And we're going to blend those colours back into the crease and put some sparkle on. That is the cut crease. I have no right to be doing a makeup tutorial. So we're gonna now blend this outer corner back onto our cut crease. The M124, we're going to get that dark brown again. Tap tap, should not be tapping on the camera. And then we're going to go back over your cut crease, add a bit of harshness along the line. And we're just gonna blend on the corner. She don't know what she's doing. You be right, I don't know what I'm doing. A Morphe, this is me taking a guess now, this may not be the right brush. Morphe M166. This lovely rusted brown, sparkly brown up here. And I mean pat it. You gotta pat it in. And then we blend. I feel sorry for the brush with how chunky it is. Ah, yeah. You know what's gonna make this look though? A pair of eyelashes. Dark color again, the dark brown. Blended it together. Yeah, there we go. See, that looks better already. Eyes are not looking good yet, but I promise you when I have them done like, they will look a lot better. For my foundation, I have the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. I blend it, because I am very pale, and that is quite a dark colour, with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. I can't read, by the way. Porcelain, so I mix these two together. And then we get my buffer brush, Zoeva 104. So we're just gonna go in with the foundation. I really like the Rimmel one, the Infallible, or whatever the flippity flip you call it. I use it on its own for just like general day-to-day wear, and it's very good and it has great coverage. Clinique, I use it because of the skin condition I have. I went to a dermatologist and he basically said the only foundation and stuff I can put on my face is Clinique. So when I'm putting my foundation on using this brush, I just pat it in. I don't push it, I pat it, press it into the skin, and then kind of just on the neck I'll blend it down. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I'm not mad with the eye makeup, how it turned out. It's very harsh lines. I never do my makeup like this. It's literally just because I put a camera on. I tried too hard. If I had just done my makeup the way I usually do it, it would have been so nice. So yeah, I really like this I really like this foundation, the Infallible, lads, I can't say it. But this one's really good. TikTok made me buy it. I saw loads of girls putting up that it was unreal, so I got it. And then that's the Clinique. So I'm just gonna go in with my concealer, conceal all that shame. I have the Face Shape 110 by Zoeva. Lads can't speak, but anyway. And now we're going to go in with our contour. Again, we're going to use this, and we're going to use the Morphe the Morphe 405 to contour. I've had this for so long. It's definitely out of date. I don't care. I'm not wasteful. It doesn't even have the sticker on the back to let me know how old it is. But this is a MAC blush in color I don't know. I will show you. This is the color. I quite like it. It's got a bit of shine to it. A little shine. You're gonna smile like you're a psychopath or a crazy cree. We're looking better. I mean, not great, but better. Oh, no regrets. That smells like my granny. No regrets. Highly recommend the number 7 Perfect Light Pressed Powder. Now we are going to do the under eye. The under eye. And I generally, because I'm nasty, just go back in with the eyeshadow brushes that have excess, because I don't like being wasteful either. And I just put it underneath. I don't have any rhyme or reason. That's the start of it. Maybe going with a darker color. Maybe the orange, because we can't really see the orange above the eyes. So. And then just at the very corner, we're going to put it a little darker. Yeah, so we're just going to blend that out. Eyebrows, the broody brows. So I have very old eyebrow stuff because I've never been good at eyebrows. So I have the Gimme Brow by Benefit, and I have the H&M brow eyebrow liner. That's that, yeah. And then I have the Morphe M185. So first thing I usually do is I just go in and brush them. And then we're gonna go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow. So struggle is real. And then I get the pencil and I just go through the brow with the pencil. Ta-da! Oh yeah, they're not the best, but they'll do. So we're gonna curl our lashes. So we're just trying on our mascara. I already messed up on the other eye and got it on my cheek, but for anyone who doesn't know, if you do that, you do this, you let it dry, and then you get a spoolie and you just scrape it off. Lads, not a good day. Okay, I'm just shaking. I'm just so nervous. Like, I've never done a makeup tutorial, and this isn't a tutorial. This is just how I personally do my makeup. Like, don't follow what I do. And I'm nervous and I'm shaking and I'm just making such stupid mistakes. But today, of all days, the day I needed that to work out, it didn't. But you know what? We just have those days. It's not the end of the world. I'm still going to post this video because honestly, I had fun. I had fun chatting to you guys and, well, my camera, but like chatting with you guys. And I love posting videos and I haven't been posting enough. So I'm going to post this little awkward makeup video. And I'm gonna have fun doing it. Fun. Still a little bit of a mark, but like it's better than what it was. Oh, I don't know, I'm like, maybe I should do it again. Oh no. Lips. Okay, sorry, okay, so we're using the Inglot Soft Precision Lip Liner in shade 56. I don't do a whole lot of drawing on now, like I just stick to the curve I know. Then we're going to just put on the lipstick, which is MAC, and it's Viva Glam 2. So I use the Inglot highlighter, pressed highlighter in shade I don't know. Okay. I mean, it's not like we don't hate it. The eyelash is dodgy as heck. Like, I mean, I honestly look crazy, but okay. For my first tutorial, I personally think this did not turn out so bad. Like, it was a bit chaotic. It was a bit hit and miss, but that's what you get for literally your first tutorial and you try to be adventurous. Like, I should have just done like basic glam or like very simplified look, but I went to go do a freaking cut crease like and layers and stuff like that. Like, I genuinely don't do that. I usually put on like 2 different eyeshadows and then blend them, but then I'd like focus more on my foundation and stuff like that. But do you know what, lads, it was fun though. I actually really enjoyed videoing this, so I have no regrets. I do want to do more videos like this and get better. Do you know what, it's all about learning. I want to get better as I go along. I enjoyed making this video. I personally love the look. It's not professional, but it's what I like. Do you know what I mean? So thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more makeup tutorials, hauls, and everything beauty related. Maybe some weight loss stuff. Who knows at this stage? Still figuring myself out, but don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that red button. And thank you so much for watching and putting up with my BS, but whatever. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. Bye. Look at that dodgy eyelash.